Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Zoho Workplace versus Microsoft 365. Which one's better? Let's find out. Zoho Workplace is a cloud-based suite designed for small to medium-sized businesses seeking an affordable, integrated platform. It includes apps for email, document creation, chat, video meetings, and file storage, all tied together under one interface. This makes it easy for small teams to manage everything in one place without juggling multiple tools. Its strengths are simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and tight integration across tools like Zoho Mail for professional email, Writer for collaborative document editing, and WorkDrive for centralized file storage. For example, a startup can quickly onboard new employees and give them access to all tools without complex IT setup. However, it may feel limited in advanced collaboration features and third-party integrations compared to larger competitors. So teams that rely heavily on tools like Salesforce or Slack might find some limitations. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, is a comprehensive ecosystem for businesses of all sizes. It offers industry-standard tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and OneDrive, with powerful real-time collaboration that allows multiple people to edit documents simultaneously from anywhere in the world. AI-driven enhancements, such as suggested edits in Word or data insights in Excel, help teams work smarter and faster. Strong enterprise security ensures that sensitive company data remains protected, which is especially important for larger organizations or those in regulated industries. Its advantages include seamless integration across devices, from desktop to mobile to tablet, and deep productivity features that scale with business needs. Though it comes at a higher cost, it may feel complex for smaller teams who don't need every feature, making setup and training a bit more involved. So, Zoho Workplace emphasizes affordability and simplicity, making it perfect for startups, small businesses, or teams that value ease of use and a single, integrated platform. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, focuses on advanced functionality and scalability, providing enterprise-grade tools for larger organizations, multi-department collaboration, and more complex workflows. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. Go with Zoho for budget-friendly, integrated simplicity, or Microsoft 365 for robust, enterprise-level capabilities that can grow with your organization. A practical tip: some small businesses even start with Zoho to save costs and switch to Microsoft 365 later as their needs expand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth platform comparisons like this.